How to view version history in Google Docs. First of all, open your web browser and go to Google Docs at docs.google.com. Then open the document whose version history you want to view. Once the document is open, click on the File menu at the top left of the screen. From the drop-down options, hover over Version History and then click on See Version History. You can also press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus H on your keyboard to open it quickly. A panel will appear on the right side showing a list of previous versions along with the date and time they were saved. Each version highlights the changes made and you can click on any version to preview it. This tool is especially helpful if you are working with others or want to track your edits over time. If you want to go back to a previous version, just click the Restore this version button at the top. It's a safe way to recover content you may have deleted or undo unwanted changes. And that's it. Now you know how to view version history in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.